Blockstream Green Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Blockstream Green Wallet app has been called one of the most secure Bitcoin wallets on the market. But does it really live up to the hype? The surprising truth is that while it's incredibly powerful, it's not for everyone, and here's why. Let's start with the pros. The biggest selling point of Blockstream Green is security. It uses a unique two-factor authentication system that requires both your device and Blockstream's server to approve a transaction. That means even if someone steals your phone or private keys, they can't move your Bitcoin without the second signature. Another advantage is privacy. The app supports Tor integration, which helps mask your RIP address and makes your transactions harder to trace. Plus, it's non-custodial, meaning you hold your own keys, not the company. Blockstream Green also offers multi-sig protection, watch-only modes, and hardware wallet integration with devices like Ledger and Trezor. For serious Bitcoin holders, this adds layers of security that go beyond most mobile wallets. It's also beginner-friendly, with a clean, intuitive interface and quick setup for new users. You can manage multiple accounts, set spending limits, and even connect to Blockstream's Liquid network for faster Bitcoin transactions with lower fees. But now, the cons. The most obvious limitation is that Blockstream Green is Bitcoin only. If you hold Ethereum, stablecoins, or other altcoins, you'll need a separate wallet. Another drawback is reliance on Blockstream servers for part of the multisig system. While this enhances security, it also means you depend slightly on their infrastructure. Not everyone likes that. And while the app is generally easy to use, advanced features like liquid swaps and hardware integration can feel overwhelming to beginners. In the end, the Blockstream Green Wallet app is a fortress for Bitcoin users who value privacy and protection above all else. But if you want a multi-chain, all-in-one crypto solution, this might not be the wallet for you. If your goal is to store Bitcoin securely with professional-grade safeguards, Blockstream Green is one of the smartest choices you can make.